Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I have this box from Immodest Cotton. So previously I have bought their canvas bag before, and here is the canvas bag I bought from them in this beautiful indigo dye tote. This one is much bigger. It has a shoulder strap if you need it. If not, you can tuck it inside. It's great for shopping at farmers market, or maybe sometime when I go to TJ Maxx, this would work too, right? So another box from them today. From the size of the box, maybe you can tell that this is not as big as my large one, so let's open it up. Kind of cute that they use the pink color tape, packing tape, isn't it? So sweet. Let's open it up. Whew. The packaging cover with a paper with, I think they are product card or something. So the reason I bought this bag because this is, I think, the first time they officially created this leather version of their tote. And when I saw they announced it on their Instagram, they say they have two. So maybe I'm being Asian or something, but when I heard that is limited number of something, I just felt like maybe I want to get it. Maybe it's special, but well, maybe I'm just a bag hoarder. So, but, oh well, here is it. Too bad they didn't pack it in a plastic, because in Pennsylvania it rains so much. For example, today it was raining out there earlier, so sometimes it just makes me so nervous that my package arrived and it will be all wet. So let's take it out. So compared to the big tote, this is, I believe, is the same size as their small tote if you want to buy the cotton canvas tote from their website. So first of all, I actually don't have much information about this tote because this is not an official product. That I believe is still not on their website. But I think the size and the shape and the form of it is very similar to their cotton tote. And from what I can see, the leather look like is some kind of vegetable tan leather, full grain leather. And from my experience with other vegetable tan leather, this look like one of those like undyed leather. That means it will get marks and get scuffed easily, and if it rains, it may have some dots and marks on it. So I have to put some condition on this tote. So the reason I believe this is vegetable tan leather, because you can kind of hear their leather when it's new. It's kind of a little bit squeaky, like, not sure you can, like when I knock on it, you can hear kind of a little bit squeaky. And also, if you look at the sway side of the leather, it's not chrome tan leather. It is clean and it doesn't have other color in it. So and then this tote, like the design of their big canvas tote, it also comes with this long shoulder strap. If you don't use it, you can tuck it inside and carry it that way. Right now, because it's still so new, so you can still kind of see it hanging here. But once it's softened, it will be fine tucking inside. And inside of the bag, it's very straightforward. It doesn't have lining, it's just the sway side of the leather. I'm going to show you, the leather itself is pretty thick. I think the thickness of this leather, at least I would say 6 to 8, maybe 6 ounce leather, I think, the thickness. And inside of it, it does have a slip pocket. And also additional slip pocket outside. It's very interesting that they added another piece of leather at the bottom to reinforce the shape so that it can somewhat keep the bottom shape more structure. So yes, with undyed vegetable tan leather, you tend to see more imperfection. Like this one, you can already see some marks right out of the box. But it doesn't matter. Once you use it more and once it darkens, all will blend together. So I'm not too worried about that, because previously I have one from KMM and I have one from Winter Section, so I know how they work by now. So you can say this is one of the very first leather bag created by Immodest Cotton, and I'm really impressed with the quality. So for their cotton version, you can actually remove this strap if you decide that you need to maybe wash it, or you want to switch out the leather strap. You can actually remove it from this start. So, but from what I was told, the leather version, they recommended me to just keep it on, not removing it, probably because if you remove it a lot, it probably would get loose easily. Then you may have to replace the handle. So this bag is a very clean, minimalist design and doesn't have much branding on it at all. It just say made in USA, very small marking here. So, and inside of it, it has another small marking on the slip pocket. But other than that, it's very clean looking tote. I just love the minimalist design and I'm really happy to get this. I don't think this is an impulse buy for me. It was an impulse buy, but I love how it turned out. It's really gorgeous. And I like how thick the leather is, because sometimes when you buy something expensive and the leather is disappointing. But this one, I love it. I hope they will formally announce this product line soon and create more so that maybe you can get one as well. So thanks for joining me for today's unboxing, and let me know what you think about this tote. I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.